This for the doubters just saying kickers don't hit. You know what I mean? We low. We ain't high at all. You know what I mean? We got our knobs. We gonna turn them up a little bit. That motherfucker bamming, bro. I'm gonna open that bitch so they can see his kickers. Give it a minute, it's coming back. That's low, bro. I ain't gonna crank it up right now, cause it's just this song is gonna hit. But that bitch pounding right now. Get us another song. That bitch bullshit is. Kickers, nigga. Not no punk ass comps, no black and yellow joints.